with the rest of the day. So we'll probably have smoko about maybe about 10:30. Okay, and lunch will be at 12, or just after, sorry, but after 12, maybe 12:15. I'll need to help this afternoon. We want to be away from here at 1:30, so I'll I'll ask you guys to help me out with the dishes and so on, so we clean this place up before we go. It'd be great. And then we're off to Chris and Regis. So that's the plan for the afternoon. Just a couple of hours there. That's all good. So how are you all this morning anyway? You all good?
Yeah.
You all fired up?
Yeah.
You got lots of questions for Ian? Yeah! It's all going to be good. Okay, good. So that's so it's going to be continuation from yesterday. We're going to cover over or review some of the things that you struggled with yesterday, or if you've still got questions, and then Ian's going to get into the animal performance part, the bit that you all are desperate to get into. Okay, all good. So that's fantastic. So anyway, I'll let you charge on and we'll go from there.
John, you want to start with what's worrying them from yesterday?
Do you want to ask me questions first, and then we can come back to see what those are things off for you? Yeah.
Good morning, everybody, and I hope you slept reasonably well. I'm sorry if I messed with your brain yesterday, but I did need to break some paradigms. And I need to push it to the limit to get you guys to move an inch. So hopefully that some guys will do something, or some people will do something, and from there it's a matter of learning and moving forward. So we're going to be asking questions, and I'm going to just start with you again. Don't take too much time, people. Well, we've got a Tim who can come back to you. Tim's been thinking about it for the last half hour, in fact hours. So he knows what he wants to ask. Yes, Tim.
Yeah, just been in a discussion with Bill here, it will be relevant. Because I'm over on the other side of your camp. I've leased my farm and I'm only running a couple of hectares. We lifestyle block until we cut it into sections. Quickly, I don't even run that properly when I see the growth that I could be doing here. But on our farm, I still have a little bit of input. The topography is an aspect that worries me on Jefferson and Morris, so to speak, and the regular sizes of paddocks. Here we sort of contemplate, we've got, say, in a cluster of 4 or 5 paddocks that we may see as picking up to make a rotation. We could range it from 35 hectares down to 10, and everything in between, and say half a dozen paddocks. And then another part of the farm, we do have a cluster that are similar but range from 1.9 through to 112 hectare one in that sequence of 10 paddocks. So we just have to adjust ourselves to days, or we'll have to get busy just doing more fencing and water, try and get them more even size.
I wouldn't worry about any size. The formula takes into consideration the different size of the paddock, so who cares? And don't spend money on water. You never recoup that money, so make the animals walk. So you make lanes, or you make a plan, and if it's more animals and you need more water, then lead them to 2 drinking troughs that you have at the moment. As you gathered from yesterday, I'm just against anybody spending any money, because there is another way if you just sit down and think about it. Our animals in Africa drink at night when the fence is broken, and they go in and drink wherever they have to. Make a plan. So that is taken into consideration as to size of paddock, that formula I gave you. And it means that you will be staying in that paddock for whatever number of days, and then it's up to you, back to quality of life in terms of how many moves you want to do during that day. Yeah. And again, I think I said it last night and I can't remember where else I said it, is that at Christmas time when all those critters from town come out to the farm, because you know we on the farm don't pay for anything, it's for free. So everybody in town migrates to the farm relatives. That's when you start doing movements every half hour, because you make those buggers get out the house. And in actual fact, they quite enjoy it. It sets the tone for the weekend, but when they've had enough, they bugger off. Which is whatever. As long as they have fun.
Yeah.
I've answered your question.
No, thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask you, introducing new species into a pasture, what's your method for?
Increase the density.
I'm saying, if you want to put, you've got a pasture, say you haven't got, particularly they name in it, you want to do sows, you just broadcast and hope for the best, or you spray, or
I
how?
would know, no strength. I thought you would have heard enough yesterday to mention the word.
Well, I'm gonna come back on that.
Okay, come back on it, I don't know. In terms of introducing that, I would prefer that you did an inclusion zone and you went to your seed merchant while he wasn't looking, you got a handful of seed into your pocket. So you go to your inclusion zone and you spread them, high density, couple of hours, see what happens.
Now, the spraying, a lot of people around about are using very low rates of glyphosate with fish and humic acid and that sort of stuff. Does that actually really do damage to the wildlife under it, or how does that work?
Well, I'm delighted you've asked the question, because I didn't want to preempt it and start telling you about glyphosate, because everybody in the room loves glyphosate. I know all of you shake your heads, whatever, but yeah. So, in our part of the world, they wanted to do exactly what you wanted to do. And they've been told that low concentrations of glyphosate, there are no problems. So they sprayed their pasture with low concentration of glyphosate. They waited 10 days or 14 days and then they grazed the pasture and the cows ate it. And to the day, 6 weeks after eating that pasture, the cows started to die of various things. Pasturella, tick-borne diseases, name it, they got it. And I only put it together when I came back from America, and you know, farmers don't want to tell you that anything's died anyway. And gradually I got it out and added the dots together, and that's exactly what killed it, because glyphosate removes the mineral from utilization. And what happens if you haven't got mineral, your immune system fails, and something is going to happen. But if you are addicted to glyphosate, I don't care, just keep using it.
Not just use it.
No, whatever.
Yeah.
And you know, they used to have a guy drinking a glass of glyphosate. And no, it's not toxic, he's not dead. No, he's not dead.
Alright, have to leave the room.
Get out.